Hi y'all. Today we are doing an unboxing of these new cards I got. I'm so excited. Um they are called Arcana Folia Oracle deck. I had these on my wish list since I knew they were coming out. Um didn't have the cash to pre-order them. But I have bought them now and these are amazing. I love them. I can't wait to show them to you. I've already opened them. But they're the Arcana Folia Oracle by Nora Paskaleva. It says Arcana Folia Oracle is an invitation into the forest where we connect with the pure vibrations of flora and fauna inspired by the delicate and intricate essence of leaves. This lushly illustrated deck is a gateway to self reflection and personal growth. Exploring the powerful energy of nature will enhance your intuition, enabling you to discover clarity for your deepest questions. There are 50 cards in this deck. This deck is a round deck. It's my first round deck that I've had in a long time. So let's get into it. Look, I love the whole box is like decorated. Do you see it? The inside of the box. It says, listen to the whispers, let them guide you. Listen to the whispers, let them guide you. I put this black cloth here because I think it will show up better than on the cloth that I currently have on my table. So it might look a little bit like a mess, but it's not a mess. Here's the bottom of the inside of the box. Is that better, y'all? I turned the camera on. You can see this. I mean, the light on, so you can see that better. Are the cards going to glare? No. Okay, good. Cool. Okay, this comes with the cards and the guidebook. I love this. And the guidebook is in color, which you know I love when a guidebook's in color. So the guidebook has table contents, introduction, how to use the cards, strengthening your intuition, how to ask questions, spreads, card meanings about the creator, and notes. This is by put out by US Games. That's a little where you can write your notes. And here's about the creator, her website and stuff. But we will we'll read a passage out of this later. Let's get into looking at these cards. They are not in order, sorry, because like I said, I already took them out and looked at them. I was so excited. Mindset. Find a different perspective. Sneaky person, a person with questionable moral compass. Eccentric person, a person with a different worldview. I love that that's a cat. Eccentric person. Leisure, remain lighthearted. Sweetness, set clear boundaries. Obstacle, observe overcoming a blockage on your path. It's a rock. I love the flowers and stuff on this. I just love these cards. Success, gradual success with thoughtful actions. Look, the ladder to success. Warrior, spirit, stand your ground. I love that the very first card in the deck when I opened it, they're out of order now. So, but number one, when I opened it, was the first card, and number one was creativity, use your imagination. And I love that. I love that that was the first card in the deck that I saw when I opened it. That just spoke so much to me because, you know, I've been trying to be more creative in my life. Capturing that childlike joy and creativity is very important. So I love this. This was confirmation for me that this was definitely the deck that I needed. Protection. You are protected. You are your own knight. Cleanse. Clear your space for positive energy. Warning, pay attention to red flags. Abundance, financial security, and material gains. Opportunity, the chance is in your hands. Look, it's a pearl and an oyster. Opportunity. Nurture, water your garden. These are just so beautiful, the illustrations on here. Lock, something is hidden or locked. Cut off, let go of what no longer serves you. Loyal friend, a wise, supportive person. Test, look for a divine test. Reciprocity, give help and receive help. That basket of abundance that you're sharing. Gossip, words spread fast. Travel, pack and go. Pack and go. I love this one. This one's so cute. Companion, a discerning friend. How cute is that little hedgehog? Healthy choices, choose wisely. Lots of veggies. Belief, examine your existing beliefs. Detour, change your course. Epiphany, cycles repeat until the lesson is learned. That's a hard lesson to learn, right? Cycles repeat until the lesson is learned. Slow and steady, patience is key. I love this one. Plot twist, unexpected development. Of course, being a writer, I love this. This was the card that I saw that made me want the deck. Because online, when you're looking around at decks and stuff, you don't see all the cards unless you come to something like this. It's an unboxing. So one card usually attracts you. This one, I was like, oh, I love that deck. I've got to get this deck. This spoke to me so much. And then when I opened it and creativity was the very first one, I was like, oh, this is definitely confirmation to my deck. Treasure, protect your energy and your space. You see the butterfly? If you've been here a while, you know butterflies have great significance for me. In the distance, things are closer than you think. Time, which is number 13, which is a message we all need to remember. Trust in divine timing. Trust in divine timing. 14, joy. Enjoy the little things. Energy, rush of excitement. Serendipity, fated encounter. Love, true feeling. Look at the love doves. Self-care, heal, repair, and reconnect. Adventure, be open to new adventures. And 22, which is a number that has a lot of significance for me. Change. Fear is not a good advisor. Don't be afraid of change. Alignment. You can do hard things. Zoom in. The answer is there if you look closer. Intuition. Listen to your inner voice. And it's a butterfly. Information. Pay attention to details. thoughts cultivate your ideas. Reflection. Reflection reveals who you are. Temptation, alluring thoughts and actions. And I love that this is a pomegranate because those of you who have done some research into scholarly work about goddesses and religion and things like that will know that what Eve ate was a pomegranate, not an apple, because apples did not exist where the Garden of Eden would have been. Also, Persephone with the pomegranate. Pomegranate is a lot, especially with temptation. I love that the creator of this deck chose pomegranate to represent temptation. It's perfect. And I also love this, that they chose the dog to represent soulmate, someone from your soul tribe. Because there is no love in this world like the love a dog will have for you, I'm telling you. Gift, precious offering. Celebration, enjoy your victories with others. And then home, appreciate comfort and sense of belonging. Home, it's a nest. I love it. So now we're going to randomly choose. Let's lay these here so you can look at them. I love that they're round. We're going to randomly choose. Oh, look at the back. It's a little beautiful. Randomly choose a page here to read from so that you can see what the guidebook is like. And also like a little message to us from the cards. One of the things I like to do when I get a new deck is I take it out, shuffle it, and I will ask the deck, what do I need to know about you? What do you need to show me? What am I going to learn from this deck? And then I will do a reading. Here we go. Huh. Self-care and cut off. That's what. What do I want to go with? Self-care? Okay. Self-care. Heal, repair, reconnect. Recharging, repairing connections, positive interactions, healing, healthy routines. If you have been through difficult times, it is important to take time to recharge and heal. The card suggests that you need to focus not only on self care, but also on repairing connections with loved ones and friends. The healing process is ongoing, and it is important to recognize that we do not have to put our lives on hold to achieve it. Rather, we should find time and space within our current routine to recharge ourselves. This will create room for more positive interactions, and over time, it will lessen any stress. Introduction. I don't know. I'm trying to do over there. Introduction. How to use the cards. Strengthening your intuition. How to ask questions. I love this. I love the size of these too. Their spreads. I really love this guidebook. It's beautiful. 3-card spread, the Whispering Flowers spread. Here's the leafy spirit spread. And then the card meanings section, which they're beautiful. Let's read another one. Serendipity, which is number 11. Fated encounter, fated experience, assurance, destiny, guidance, success, teacher, open-mindedness. You may soon come across a person or scenario that feels fated. This magical experience will give you the assurance that you are on the right track to life and that things are finally falling into place for you. This could also be a fated meeting with a person who will guide you toward your destiny or help you succeed in some way. This card can also indicate meeting a teacher or mentor or accepting guidance from a higher realm. Stay open to the ideas, even if they seem a little odd or unconventional. So, like I said, the first card in the deck, creativity. And we will find out what the last card in the deck is, since I had it all out of order because I had been talking to the deck. The last card in the deck is Eccentric Person. So let's hear about the author. Nora Paskaleva is a multimedia artist based in Connecticut who has been designing tarot and oracle decks for over a decade. Her art reflects her fascination with psychology, spirituality, and nature. Nora's work explores themes such as identity, self-discovery, and interconnectedness. She hopes to raise conscious awareness and encourage readers to delve deeper into their thoughts and emotions. She's a nature enthusiast who enjoys hiking with her two kids. And she has a website and an Instagram, and here's the information for it. And that's it, y'all. That's this deck. What do y'all think? Are y'all as in love with this deck as I am? I also love that it's dark. I love that it's a dark deck. It's called Folia. This might be showing backwards. I don't know. But it's called Arcana Folia. I just love it. I love it. It's beautiful. All right. Have any comments or questions? Drop them. Drop them in the comments. That sounded funny, but you know what I mean. I'll put a link down here to where you can buy the cards. And I hope you love this deck as much as I do. I can't wait to start doing readings with it. It's going to be amazing. Love your faces. Kisses.